Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just sharing this VR for Linda's Thrifty Life, and she has her 70th birthday giveaway, and she's asking for a Memdex card, a tag, a birthday card, and it'll put an entry into her draw for a giveaway. And so I wanted to share with you what I created. So I took a Memdex card die that I just shared with you guys a little while ago, and I used a pink glitter paper, and behind it the die came with a couple pieces, and I was able to do the trim on the outside in gold foil, and then the back I did as well in gold foil, and then topped it with a little bit of thicker cardstock on the back. Then I took my rosette and my crepe paper rosette, put it through my machine, and I was able to cut a heart out with it. I used some gold glitter tulle with this little chipboard sticker, Life is Beautiful, and then I put create here. And this adorable flamingo oh, he's just so precious, or she. And I just put some black crepe paper just to put some black into it, because I do like working with black and pink and gold. And then I put some gold thread on the underneath, but on top of the crepe paper. And then I put the flamingo with a flat back pearl, and I added a little charm, and this says made with love, and it's just a little circle charm with some seed beads on it. And then of course I just put my information on the back, and it is around with the gold foil as well. So that is that piece, and this is the bag that I'll be putting it in. Isn't this paper beautiful? I love it. And then I just topped it with a butterfly with the gold foil underneath, and another butterfly there. And I did the gold foil underneath that pattern paper. So that's that piece. I also did this tag for her, and I did it with the same paper and same gold foil just to keep it matching. And then I did a black crepe paper heart and put pink and gold glitter tulle on top with a gold butterfly and a flat back pearl, along with some ribbon. And it's just the plain on the back with the gold, so it's just the same as the front minus the embellishments. And then I created this birthday card for her with, of course, a touch of black in there, but I thought that turned out super cute. So if you haven't subscribed to her yet, make sure you do so. I also have a little gift for her that I'll get her to share when she opens it. Again, her challenge ends, or her giveaway ends on June 20th. It's been extended to that date, so make sure you go over subscribe, and if you're able to, send out an entry for it. You'll love watching her videos. She always puts a smile on my face. She's always so happy. So again, I'll put her information below, and I hope you enjoyed what I shared with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.